Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today starts off with a thank you to you guys. I've got to 2 million views now, so thanks everyone that likes, subscribes and obviously watches. Now the first two clips here are about inconsiderate drivers when the weather is bad. The weather is bad for everyone, not just you.
Who are these people that drop off on a zebra crossing? Literally on a zebra crossing. I know it's piss poor weather, but it's piss poor weather for everybody that wants to cross the bloody road.
Now I still keep getting complaints about my swearing. If you are one of them people, please turn your volume down for this next clip. I'm delivering to this shop here. As you can see, there's a space there, nice space just for me to get into. And now I'll keep quiet.
Are you fucking kidding me? What fucking idiot parks like that? I'm not even going to get through there. What a cunt. What an absolute cunt that is. There he is. I bet he ain't even fucking seen me. She, it is. This is she. You gonna go or what? What a stupid fucking idiot that is. Unbelievable.
Now this next clip, it's a minicab looking for its fare. There's its fare there, waving. She's under a shelter, but doesn't want to come to him because she doesn't want to get wet. Now, he shouldn't be stopping where he was anyway. But now he's going to stop on zigzags to let someone in who's still wearing pyjamas. Now this next clip, we're obviously looking at the cyclist here. To me, he looks like he's just about to start his journey. It's pouring with rain and he's not wet, so I'm guessing he's just starting his journey. So he's on the pavement, straight through the red light to start his journey off. Well done.
How fast does he want to go through it though?
Now next clip, this is the 3-point turn debate still goes on. The red car up in front. It must be able to see that there are cars behind it. But it just doesn't care. Or doesn't seem to care. And still does it anyway, keeping everyone waiting. Now that cannot be right.
Another 3-point turner that just does it in the middle of the road, obviously, with everyone waiting.
Now this next clip, I have an Audi in front of me. Calm down, Audi drivers. It doesn't do anything wrong. This is just to show you what this road looks like coming from this direction. Because in a minute I'll be coming back the other way and I want to show you what happens. Now it's not very often you hear me say this, but the Audi does the correct thing. It waited for that car to leave and then it goes down an empty road. Easy, isn't it? You would think. But when I come back the other way, you'll see what I mean. So this is me coming the other way. Now I know some of you are gonna already guessed what's gonna happen. Now this is why I showed you it from the other side, because me and the Audi driver could see down the road. We could see that if there was a car coming or not. So why couldn't he? Does he expect me to drive up the pavement? That's not going to happen. Look how high that curb is. So he does the correct thing in the end. Took him a while, but I do say thank you, and I get a little wave back. Is this the new me? I didn't blow my top, and I still said thank you. Doubt it. Mirror, signal, manoeuvre, spring to mind? Or just hand out the window? As you saw just a little while ago, even with someone that wasn't using the road correctly, I still said thank you. This one here to my left, I let her out. No thank you, no nothing. It was like, you're supposed to let me out.
On New Year's Eve, it is a very, very, very happy New Year if you support Arsenal Football Club. It finished here, Brighton 2, Arsenal 4.
Just cut straight across my lane. You've got no idea what you just done, neither. Is it that hard to wipe off a bit of water?
Here's a little clip for you petrol heads out there. What's that?
We have to perform at the highest level in this league, and we need to come here and win. In order to do that, we have to perform at the highest level in this league. And
I see this mistake happening more and more often. We've got a red light at this junction. There's another set of traffic lights behind it, which is green for pedestrians. This van doesn't notice that the second set of lights are for him as well when they turn red. So off he goes, straight through a red light. Fair play to the van behind him notices it. Now what you're looking out for here is a stop line. Right here there should be a stop line. Just a little tip. Now all the way back there is an Audi. An Audi in the correct lane. I'm at a roundabout. There's two cars in front of me, but the inside lane is empty. Oh, what a surprise. But it doesn't want that lane. It wants my lane. So what's he going to do? It's going to cut across everyone, isn't it? So this is why we talk about Audis the way we do. He wasn't in the wrong lane by accident. He knew exactly what he was doing.
Go on it, and we don't go on it. You know,
It doesn't always have to be an Audi that's impatient. This VW behind me, incredibly impatient. There's traffic in front of me, obviously, and he's turning right. Will he indicate? Just about, but look where he's going. On the wrong side of the road, cuts the corner with a car coming towards him. Idiots. Impatient idiot.
go that way, and you don't have to.
And speaking of idiots and impatient, how about this for a scooter?
At the beginning of the season, the first 16 games, to what I've seen since Michael Carrick has taken over, the first 16 games, to what I've seen since Michael Carrick has taken over, is night and day.
He's trying to overtake someone.
Outstanding. The football that they played was superb. They got the lead at the end of the game.
Trying to overtake someone that's turning right there as well. Fucking idiot. They got no brains.
Now this turn in here is always renowned for people cutting the corner. I'm going to pause it here because that car there is already starting to turn. I can't believe that it's already starting to turn there. It ain't even past the first part of the turning and it's already turning its steering wheel. So God knows how much it would have cut off if I wasn't there. And if we go back to the front camera, there is nothing coming from my right. So it wasn't trying to rush to beat someone to get to the turning. So it just cut the corner for no reason other than being a lazy, bad driver. Here we are again at Rose Hill Roundabout, my favourite roundabout. I could fill up a memory card just in one day on this roundabout. So we've got a green light. Off we go. It goes to amber after I've crossed the stop line, okay? Before anyone jumps on me. Now, bearing that in mind, we go back to the rear view camera. I would have thought that second car has gone for a red light there. Maybe not the white car directly behind me. That was probably still amber. But this one, I would say, went for a red. Now, going back to the front. The car in front of the car in front of me, if that makes any sense, has got a P on it. So basically, if you're not from this country and you don't understand what that means, it means that you've just passed your test. You're a novice driver, basically. So give them some slack. They're going to make mistakes. They're going to be nervous, especially if they're in there on their own. So it's a 40-mile-an-hour road. We are doing about 25 miles an hour, which is too slow for a 40 miles an hour road, really. But as I say, you've got to have a little bit of patience. Now, the car driver with the P has gone out to the outside lane, so I'm guessing it's turning right. The idiot here that's just gone through the red light already, either that sun's in his eyes or he's a complete idiot, because look how close he is to that car that's just passed its test, obviously nervous, looks in the mirror and sees that fucking idiot right behind it. Some people, they'd make me angry, make me so mad. And I know everything I've just said makes no sense at all about being patient when I'm swearing and getting angry about the idiot behind. Basically, he hasn't just passed his test. He's just a fucking idiot. So I have got no patience for idiots. Apologies for the language.